Hey guys, welcome back to my channel all about PC. In today's video, we are diving into how to use the random between and random array functions in Excel. These handy functions let us generate random numbers within a specified range without the hassle of typing each value manually. We will start with the random between function. Imagine we want to generate a random number between 33 and 85. We simply use the formula is equal to random between parentheses 33, 85. Unique values will be generated between these values. This formula will give us a random value in that range of a single cell. What if we need this for multiple cells? Easy. Just drag the fill handle across the range you want and Excel will populate all those cells with random values, saving us tons of time. To use the random array function effectively, we need to specify the starting values, the number of rows and the number of columns where we want the data. For example, if we have 10 rows and 4 columns, we can fill all these cells with random values between our specified minimum and maximum. Now, if you need values in integer format, you can use the true for integer and for decimal values, stick with false. This way, you can generate all the values in your specified range at once, whether in decimals or integer format depending on your needs. So let's get started and make our data entry process a breeze with these powerful Excel functions. Thanks for watching today's video on All About PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and software tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.